Good morning, children. So, question number 1 of chapter Work and Energy, that is, a boy of mass 50 kg runs up a flight of 120 stairs, each measuring height of 25 semi in 1 minute and 40 second. If g equals to 10 meter second to the power minus 2, the power of the boy is number 1. Question number 1, option A is the correct answer, that is 150 watt. Next, a truck of mass 800 kg generates a power of 20,000 watt. How much time does the truck need to accelerate from the speed of 20 meter second inverse to 30 meter second inverse? Question number 2, option C is the correct answer, 10 second. Okay. Next, question number 3, a body of mass 2 kg is thrown up vertically with a kinetic energy 490 joule. If the acceleration due to the gravity is 9.8 meters second to the power minus 2, the height at which the kinetic energy of the body becomes half of the original value is? Question number 3, option C is the correct answer, 12.5 meter. Next, question number 4. Read the given statements and select the correct option. Statement 1. If a light body and a heavy body possesses the same momentum, the lighter body will possess more kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of a body varies as the square of its velocity. So, number A, B, C, D, 4 options are given. B is the correct answer for this question, because both statement 1 and 2 are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. So, option B is the correct answer for question number 4. Next, for question number 5. Coolie A takes 1 minute to raise a box of mass M through a height of 2 meter. Another coolie B takes 30 seconds for the same job. Which one has greater power? Coolie A, coolie B, both have the same power, cannot say. So, question number 5, option B is the correct answer, that is coolie B. Coolie B is the correct answer. Next, question number 6, read the given statements and select the correct option. A man carrying a bucket of water and walking on a rough level road with a uniform velocity does not work while carrying the bucket. Statement 2, the work done on a body by a force in giving at displacement S is defined as W equals to F in dot S. F is cos theta, where theta is the angle between the vector F and S. So, question number 6, option D, both statement 1 and 2 are false. This is the correct answer. Question number C, option D is the correct answer. Question number 7, match the columns and select the correct option of the course given here. So, question number 7, option A is the correct answer, work done by all the forces, and option A is 2, it will with 2, that is change in kinetic energy, B with 1, C with 3 and D with 4. This is the correct answer. Question number 8, water falls from a height of 30 meter at the rate of 20 kg per second to operate a turbine. The losses due to the frictional forces are 20% of energy. How much power is generated by the turbine? So, question number 8, option C is the correct answer, that is 4.8 kilowatt. Next, question number 9, a truck and a car having equal kinetic energies are stopped by applying equal retarding force. If S1 and S2 are the distances covering by truck and car respectively before stopping, then S1 equals to S2, S1 greater than S2, S1 less than S2, cannot say. So question number 9, S1 equals to S2 is the correct answer. S1 equals to S2. Okay, so next question number 10, a box of 5 kg mass moves up a ramp from point A to point B at a constant speed. Given that the surfaces are smooth, frictionless, what is the gain in the potential energy by the box? So question number 10 option A is the correct answer, that 400 joule. Question number 10 option A is the correct answer. Next question number 11, a graph of the total energy of a freely falling body from a height is, question number 11 option D is the correct answer. This is the graph, okay, the total energy versus height. Read the given statements, question number 12, and select the correct option. Statement 1, potential energy a stretched and compressed spring is directly proportional to square of extension or compression. Statement 2, graph between potential energy of a spring versus the extension or compression of the spring is a straight line. So question number 12 option C is the correct answer. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Both statement 1 and true are false. No, statement 1 true but 2 false. Next question number 13, consider the following statements and select the correct options which identifies true and false. So question number 13 option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer, true, false, false. This is the correct answer. Next we will see the question number 14. Question number 14, potential energy of an object at a height h is EP equals to mgh. The equation is true only if the question number 14 option A is the correct answer. 1 is true only because the acceleration due to the gravity is constant. This is the correct. Okay. So next question number 15. A sphere of mass 50 kg stands at the point P at the top of the sky jump and moves P to Q and takes off the jump at Q as shown in the figure. If 50% of the change in gravitational potential energy of the sphere between points P and Q becomes the kinetic energy at Q, then the speed at which the sphere arrives at Q is, question number 15 option B is the correct answer, 20 meter second inverse. 20 meter second inverse. Okay. Next question number 16. A mass m kg is suspended by a weightless string. The horizontal force that is required to displace it until the string making an angle of 45 degree with an initial vertical direction is, question number 16. Question number 16 option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 15 option B, 16 option A. Okay. Next question number 17. A body moves under a variable force. For the body, a plot velocity versus time is shown in the figure. The correct statement is option A, that in moving from C to D, work done by the force on the body is positive. Work done by the force on the body is positive. Next question number 18. Question number 18, two inclined frictionless tracks, one gradual and the other slab, meet at point A from where two stones are allowed to slide down from rest, one on each track as shown in the figure. Which of the following statement is correct? Question number 18, option C is the correct. Both the stones reach the bottom with the bottom earlier than stone 1. Okay. Next, question number 19. Question number 19, the diagram shows this diagram cyclist moving down a small hill at P before traveling on a flat road after point Q. The total mass of the cyclist and his bicycle is 60 kg and the speed of the cyclist at P is 10 meters second inverse. Which of the following is incorrect due to gravity? So question number 19, option D is the correct answer. That is, the cyclist does not require a greater power when he travels at a higher constant speed. So this is the correct option. Question number 19, option D. Next, this diagram shows an object released from the point P and traveling on a frictionless track. If a heavier object is taken in consideration, then 4 options are given. So question number 20, option B is given. Only 2 is true. Only 2 is true. This is the correct option. So I think all of you can understand this chapter. Our next chapter is sound. So the first question of sound, the frequency of a source is 20 kilohertz. The frequencies of the sound waves produced by it in water and air will, okay, question number A, option A is the correct answer, be the same as well as source, depend as well as source, okay, as that of source. It is the correct answer. Next, question number 2, in an experiment to determine the speed of ground, a gun was fired and an observer at a distance away measured the time interval between seeing the flash of the gun and hearing the shot. Which of the following will not affect the result? So question number 2, option C is the correct answer. 1 and 3, the frequency of the gunshot, and 3, the loudness of the gunshot. Okay. Next, question number 3, read the given statements and select the correct option. Okay. So statement 1, echo is produced when sound is incident on hard and polished surface. Sound energy can be totally reflected by the object's soft and loose texture. So question 3, option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Next, question number B 4, match the column 1 with column 2 and mark the correct option from the codes given here. So question number 4, option B is the correct answer, that is A3, B1, C4 and D2. This is the correct option. Okay. So question number 5, what is saying? The roofs and the walls of the auditorium are generally covered with sound absorbent materials to reduce reverberation of the sound. Question number 5, option B is the correct answer. So next, question number 6. Question number 6, a student plotted following 4 graphs representing the variation of the velocity v of sound in a gas with the pressure P for a given temperature. Which one is correct? So question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. D is the correct option. Question number 7, a sound was traveling in a medium is represented as shown in the figure. So lambda versus frequency mu, the sound respectively take the velocity sound as 342 meter second inverse. So 7, answer A is the correct answer. 1 meter, 114 meter and 3 hertz. A submarine emits a sonar pulse with from an underwater cliff in 1.05 second. If the speed of the sound in salt water 1531 meter second inverse, how far away is the cliff? So question number 8, option B is the correct answer, 803.8 meter. Longitudinal waves can travel in, question number 9, option D, all media will be travel, solid, liquid and gases, all. So question number 10, sound travels with a speed of about 330 meter second inverse. What is the wavelength of sound whose frequency 660 Hz? So question number 10, option C is the correct answer, 0.5 meter. Next, question number 11, the diagram represents two different sound waves, A, B, C, D. 4 options are given. So number 1, the frequency and the pitch of X is less than that of Y of X is less than Y. Next, question number 12. A signal generator is connected to a loudspeaker. This gives a musical note that a person can hear. The signal generator has two controls, one for amplitude of sound and one for frequency. How should these be adjusted to give a sweeter sound of higher pitch? So question number 12, option C is the correct answer, amplitude decrease and frequency it will increase. Next, question number 13, an insect makes sound that is higher than the maximum audible frequency of human beings. Given that the speed of the sound in air approximately 340 meters second inverse, which of the following could be the wavelength of the sound? So question number 13, option A, 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. This is the correct option. Next, a microphone is connected to a cathode ray oscilloscope. A loudspeaker giving a single note is switched on. The track shown in the figure appears on the screen. Question number 14. 14, option A is the correct answer. Displacement time, that is option A is the correct answer. Next, question number 15. The following figure shows the displacement time graph for a sound wave produced by an instrument. So question number 15, which one is the correct? Option B is the correct answer. Next, question number 16. Question number 16, a man who is standing at a point between two parallel walls fires a pistol. He hears echoes after 0.5 second and 0.8 second. A further echo is here after firing at a time of, question number 16, option B is the correct answer, that is 1.3 second. Next, direction, read the passage carefully and answer the following questions. Two turning forks A and B vibrate with frequency in the ratio 2:7 and their wavelength in the ratio 3:4 respectively. Both the turning forks are placed in different media. So question number 17, option B is the correct answer, turning fork B. Okay. Next, question number 18. The turning fork A produces relatively 18B, that is flat sound, than turning fork B, flat sound than turning fork B. Next, question number 19. A man standing in front of a large wall claps at a regular frequency 10 Hz. He finds that the echoes coincide with his clapping. The speed of the sound is given of air 330 meters second inverse. So question number 19, C is the correct answer. Only 1 and 3 are correct. The time taken between successive clapping is 0.1 second and the distance between the man and the wall after he stops clapping, if he hears 4 more echoes in, is 66 meter. That two are correct option. Next, question number 20. A stone dropped from the top of a tower of 125 meter high into the pond which is at base of the lower of the tower. When will the splash be heard at the top? Given gravitational acceleration, that is g, equals to 10 meters second inverse, and speed of the sound equals to 340 meters second inverse. So 20, option C is the correct answer, that is 5.36 second. So after 20 number questions it is there. So in our next chapter we will start in our next video why do will fall in. So I think all of you can understand. Thank you.